Pontiac Fiero GT.
Is that a Pontiac Fiero?
Impressive. I know.
No, that's not impressive.
Well, let's see how the Fiero made it through the winter. Might need a little air. Don't lean on that wing. My turbo can spray paint still looks as bad as ever. Oh, he's still up there. There's a big hawk over you. You see it? Think he can carry Gizmo away? The little birds were attacking him. Oh, you hear them? The little rabbits are in there, and Gizmo has been taking him out, trying to play with him. He doesn't kill him, but he plays too rough, he will. That's a crappy paint job, huh? It's a little better than what it was. Definitely a 20-footer. Oh, what are you doing there? The hell, they have a nest under in there? Get out of there. I don't know if I should look or not. Probably should, especially if I'm gonna put this in the trunk. Huh, no, nothing. How the hell did I get in here? Little bastards. That better be water. These damn mice, what the hell? Don't smell like piss, but it has to be. There's no way water can get in there. Not with that cover on. That'd be a lot of piss if it is. Oh, she's still full. I wonder if the battery's any good still. Well, I was going to put this in the back of the car, but can't. Let's see if it starts. Nah, there's no horn. Look at this. Look. I've tried those potpourri bags. I've tried dryer sheets. I've literally tried everything. And the only thing that seems to work is poison. But then you gotta hope they don't die in the car. Look at this. Oh my God. Yeah, the coolant's low. We got about an inch. What you gotta do, buy a bubble? What are you doing? Are you and that hawk fighting for that little rabbit? Huh? Where is he? Oh, I see him. Leave the baby rabbits alone. I see his little butt sticking out. See him? I know. Go hide. Only a splash left in there. In that container. I can't believe that they don't make a car cover. Comes up from the bottom first and then covers over that the mice wouldn't want to eat through. It'd have to have like wire reinforcement or something. These mice are a problem here. Real problem. In the meantime, this old crapper sits in here. I gotta get this rolling better because the calipers are seized up so I can roll this out. Put the better car in here. There's gotta be a way to keep them stupid mice out. Let's see how this Astro AI will jumpstart this Fiero with a bone dead battery. These are pretty light cables, very short too. Wish they'd give you like 2 foot of cable. And then you hit boost. Doesn't show anything on there. Pull the battery down, so it must be. Yeah, fired it right up. You gotta love those boosters though. Way better than jumper cables. I don't even have jumper cables anymore. Just wish they had a little longer cable, that's all. I gotta pump these tires up too. 32. It's alive! Yeah, I know, I gotta change these tires. Check them all. The nice thing about the Astro AI is holds its own. hose, that is. 25. Jump starter, tire filler, power bank. I don't go anywhere without one. Bring this up to the garage. Vacuum the pee-pee out of it. Whatever that is, gotta be piss. At least the calipers aren't sticking. A 2,400 pound car. Suck that piss out of there. I'm gonna pull it out and wash it down. But I think I figured out how these mice are getting in here. Because I did see some more stuff here, so I was like, oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. So I put a strip of this foam in there underneath. So their highway isn't so easy to get through, especially once it gets smashed in there. So once that's flattened down, they'll have to eat through all of it again. I guess I'm gonna have to start just keeping poison. Always put poison blocks all over the place. Sad, but has to be done. Sure, that'll work. Let's go for a ride. Running good. I think he's missing something there. Definitely want to do that 3.8 supercharged motor in that other Fiero soon. Always seems like there's something going on. Woo! 140 horsepower fast. 2,400 pound car though. Whoa, this parking lot is bad. Thanks, Greg. 3 key tags going out. Thanks, Thomas. I don't like these. $43 for deck screws. Man, I should have drove to New Milford. Because I finally finished that deck in the back. Well, thanks to Chris and Chris Jr., that is. My son just picked up a C7, Z51. I think this is lower, or as low. Go. Wow. That's got some G's, huh? Yeah. Holy cow. And he paid cash. It's fun to drive, boys. Look at that. Woo! I do love my 1987 $500 Fiero, boys. Can't beat it. Hey, did you know they had these stupid sand spurs in New Jersey too? Like the ones in Florida?
You got it, Pontiac.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.